Ka District and Industry Center East Khasi Hills, haka jingatrelang bat katanat Meghalaya State Skill Development Society, mentaka laitrik unai wing arajar arpuar. Kila pelong ya ka district level exhibition ka balai pusan, ha pelau jong State Central Library, bat kani ka dikasian ka penengkong, baki diki arteli kitanat kini trelang. Ha kani ka sengi ka jingdon jong ki dukan, kilong hadu asau pesan teli, kentup ki bawan na keleng ki district jong ka jela. U Principal Secretary Katanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary ka Sorkar jela u GHP Raju ulaong. Ba kinongwan jengok kai kita terang banwan sya kani ka jela bat ka kam jengok kai kadi ka wei na kalat yok kam yok jam hapok ka jela Meghalaya. Ulaong ru ba tang ha shilong ki yeng sa bala penkala sya ki yeng sa na ka benta kinongwan jengok kai kidon hadu lai hajar san spateli.
Is basically for the entrepreneurs who want to create these type of outlets, meat outlets called kiosks. How many takers are here? There are opportunities aplenty for the educated youth. My request to you all is, please share this information with wherever you get an opportunity with your sons and daughters. The Labour Department will conduct the training programs in the selected trade in help and guidance from the district, the Commerce and Industries, the under General Manager, they are there. The funding is there from the Animal Husbandry Department. The capital is there from the missions. Are you ready?
U GHP Raju la pentep baka Sorkar jela nadu mensyam snem kala penbena ban ajing yarap arpusan lak tingka na kebenta ban risiar klem dadon kam ban siu biang syaka Sorkar bal adadon menu-menu ban temu ban sengkam lajong da ka barisniang ka Sorkar kan ajing yarap haduk lai pesan lang hapok ka National Livestock Mission bat kumta terter. Uloong ruba ka Sorkar jela kam kwa baka ni ka khandriu kulur kan lej phai biang henrei kede ban lej cek badai hok ban yo.